Hello and welcome to Honda Bolton. My name is Charlotte and today we're giving you a full video tour of this unique buy 2019 edition Toyota Corolla Excel Hybrid that we do currently have in our stock. It is complemented by the stunning white exterior and complemented by your black accents throughout. You do have your 1.8 petrol hybrid engine, making it the ideal eco-friendly alternative. For any further information, please give our team a call on 01204 827 906. So starting at the front of the vehicle, you do have your front parking sensors alongside your very stylish LED daytime running headlights to ensure you do always have full illumination ahead. Round to the side, your alloy wheels really do highlight the overall exterior finish, followed by your complementing hybrid badging. You do also have your electronically adjustable door mirrors which do fold in and outwards, which will keep the vehicle in top condition along with your incorporated indicators in there. Behind your rear privacy glass you will find a part leather, part cloth finish, so extremely comfortable and easy to maintain with your handy pull-out armrests and two cup holders. You do also have your climate vents just below there. As it is a 2019 edition, it has covered 22,105 miles. As we move around to the rear of the vehicle, you will find your rear parking sensors along with plenty of space in your boot area. Ideal for all those day-to-day items, including several shopping bags or small suitcases. You do of course have your fitted parcel shelf just above there. If we move along now into your front interior features, complemented on your door sill by your Corolla badging, you do also have your multifunctional full leather steering wheel, which does sit just alongside your central touch display screen. You do have your surrounding controls for this as well. Just below this is an automatic transmission for a much smoother drive, and of course your two front seats are part leather, part cloth, so very comfortable for both travelling passengers. And that does conclude our full 360 walk around of this vehicle, so we now take a seat in the front. I will show you all the top key technology features included. Starting just to your right hand side of your driver's door, first of all, you will find all four of your electronic window controls, along with your central lock-in and your outer wing mirror adjustments. As we move along onto the right hand side of your steering wheel, this vehicle does even come with your adaptive cruise control, so this can anticipate all your surroundings and keep you safe on any journey. Just to your left hand side you do have audio controls, which does include your voice recognition and your options to answer incoming phone calls. You do also have your controls to navigate around your digital cockpit screen and display an array of car functions on here, including your mileage or fuel consumption levels. Moving across into your central touchscreen, you can navigate around by simply using the buttons surrounding, or you can use the touchscreen function. So as you can see, there are plenty of radio stations to choose from on here, as you can display your station list there. If you do wish to listen to your own desired playlist, however, you can do so connecting via Bluetooth. This will also give you the option to make hands-free safe phone calls, and I must note this is compatible with your Apple and Android devices. This vehicle does also come with your built-in satellite navigation, very convenient in those unfamiliar areas, as you do have all your points of interest and traffic updates. You do also have all your general settings on here as well if you do go back to your home screen. If you do pop the car into reverse, it will activate your rear parking camera, bringing up an on-the-screen display, so this will keep the vehicle in top condition. Moving just below, you do have your dual climate control options, meaning you can have a different temperature on either side of the vehicle. You can either sync or unsync this, depending on yours and your passenger preference. You do also have your front and rear heated windscreen functions on here, including your two front heated seat options just below as well. So these are all ideal, especially in those winter months, keeping you toasty warm. Just below you do have your different driving mode options depending on how efficient you wish to drive. Along with your automatic gear controls, you do also have your electronic parking brake, two handy cup holders and plenty of storage just below your armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 01204 827 906 and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just below to keep up to date with all our Honda videos.